Walter, my name is Walter Gonzales.
Hello.
Lima, Peru. Where are you from? Your students? What do you name? Para Peru. Is playing projects.
Ah, right, yes. Of course. Hello, my name is Liam. I'm from Wellington, and I'm born and raised here. And I'm a fourth year industrial designer in the honours program. And this is Nick Depoff's work that he's working on at the moment. And it's for disaster relief. And it's for when you find victims that are trapped under rubble. And it's a structure that you can put up around them to keep them warm and then safe from further rubble and further from harm. And then possibly turning into a stretcher so you can transport people that are injured. But it's still, this is about halfway through the design process, and it's been researched for about 6 months as well. So it's kind of nearing its completion. But yes, this is Nick Depoff's work.
Next.
Next one, yeah, sure. This project is from Dama Otien. He's Māori, and he's working with sustainability and reusing materials. And so his main focus has been about taking a resource that's readily available and not easily recyclable, and he's trying to cut out the actual recycling process and go straight to making new products with old materials. And so he's rolling up magazines to try and make furniture, and at the same time educate about recycling materials and finding materiality and honesty within products. So this is really interesting. He works mostly from home, so this is the first time I've actually seen any of this. But he's really good at styling. He's really sharp with all his projects, so I really look forward to what he comes up with at the end.
Thank you. Explain school design here.
Oh, right. So this is...
What students?
This is MASSEY University, Wellington. And it's a big design school, so there's lots of different pockets of other design programs. And so the industrial is actually in a separate building, but you can also do spatial or fashion or graphic design or animation, just about any of it. And you do a first year where you get a little bit of a taste of anything, and then you specialise. And so this is also where the Fab Lab is, so I'm really excited to be doing product design and focusing on material and physical objects and rapid prototyping, and then having all of these tools downstairs. It's fantastic.
You use a Fab Lab?
Yeah.
Para prototype?
My project is just through there as well, and it's a harness, and I've been doing some laser cutting of parts just to rapid prototype.
El project is playing you?
Yeah, cool. Yeah, come through. Good save. Thanks.
Nos va a explicar los proyectos de la exposición. What?
Harness, a full body harness for rug access or industrial abseiling. So kind of like we find use for cleaning buildings or building maintenance or working on a boiler. And so I'm trying to challenge existing products and change them slightly. I've just realised mine looks quite similar to stuff that exists, so I'm going to rethink it. But yes, I'm trying to increase the amount of storage that are being used and kind of make it a more luxury product. And yes, I was laser cutting. These are actually going to be useful on the final. I'm hoping to cast aluminium and CNC route a mould so I can mould this all together. Yeah, so this is kind of where I'm at the moment. And I'm doing soft materials and soft goods for my design project, which is a bit of a challenge at the moment. So yeah, I thought I'd do something difficult, give myself a hard time. And it's really interesting. So I'm enjoying learning how to sew and kind of working very three-dimensionally and working with ergonomics. Yeah, it's still pretty rough. It's pinned together at the moment. But as a prototype, I'm pretty happy. The next step is change quite a few of the aspects and then sew it all together so I can actually put it on and then test it and see how it feels like.
Student design industrial.
5
years.
4 years.
Your
4 years, yeah. I'm in 4th year.
A project, the 4 years.
Yep.
Here, design.
This is all 4th year industrial design lab. And there's an option to... Yep, this is all 4th year stuff.
This is explain your project?
Yeah, this is all part of my project.
The partner, explain please.
Yeah. This is a seat that sits on the back of your harness as well. For when you're sitting on the ropes, the leg loops tend to cut off the circulation in your legs. And especially when you're walking around before you get on the ropes, you've still got it hanging behind you. So I've made it so it can be flexible while you're walking around to allow blood flow. And then when you're sitting on the ropes and you need it, there's going to be a crank handle here and it will tighten the rope and make it rigid. So you'll have a seat to sit on and it will have a quick release.
Sit down?
Yeah. Oh, it doesn't work at the moment.
Flex?
Yeah, only a little bit. It's just an idea. It was just a wee prototype. I think if I sat on it, it would explode. It doesn't work at the moment. It was just an idea, yeah. So I've got to refine it. This is probably version 1 of about 10 or 20. So it'll take me quite a while to finalise this. But yeah.
Good design. You're
Yeah, these were the first mock-ups of what you see over here. So it was, I'll just rub that back in there. See, I kind of started off pretty rough, learning how to sew, and then moved on to something slightly more sophisticated and gained more materials, and then I've moved on to this one here.
You're here project?
Yeah.
Here?
This is...
other project?
So, this is all mine.
Other project?
Yeah, and I was doing some vat forming of foam to kind of figure out if I could get my brand into my harness in subtle ways, tiny ways, and just working with colourway and figuring out how the layout's going to be. So yeah, this was the seat idea. So you can tighten it, and then you can quick release it and make it flexible, so it sits underneath your legs. Yeah, it's getting there, and that's what I built that on. I did a sketch, really liked it, and then drew some lines, and then made it 3D. So this is my project.
Other project is part.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Here.
This one. I don't know as much about this one.
No sabe mucho sobre ese proyecto.
Bathroom?
Yeah. It's for impoverished nations. So it's over in where is it? Papua New Guinea. And so there's pretty bad sanitation. Not many people wash their hands, and the bathrooms aren't very well made. So he's trying to build a product that they can build in the local communities. Yeah. Yeah, he's trying to build a product you can build there, and it's sustainable, it's made out of materials, and they kind of understand all the process and the service behind it, rather than designing something over here that doesn't fit into our ecosystem.
Wow.
Yeah, I see that.
You're
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, it is. It's also for squatting, so you can...
System
sit on top.
origami, tipo origami. No?
It's for Thailand.
Toilet.
Yeah, it's a toilet for Thailand. And,
Yes.
It's for flood relief. Because I don't know how to do it. Yeah. Because from different colours. Yeah, it fell down.
No?
Yeah, because it's stored flat, and then when there's a flood, you can pull it out. Because in Thailand, they had trouble with all of the bathrooms got flooded, so everybody was just kind of using the street. So this guy's trying to design these. Yeah, and it should be.
Yes.
I think it's going to be made out of plastic in the end, and it should fold flat and
Good
then tuck away.
design.
Yeah. It's quite neat. Yeah. It's a little bit complicated at the moment. This is his process is really complicated.
Style design, process design.
He's made so many mock-ups. It's crazy. Yeah, that's for the bag on the inside. So you can grab the edges, hold it tight, and you don't have to touch the bag once you're finished. Yeah.
Yes.